Biden's shadow campaign. It was a friendly crowd in a friendly place, a Union Hall in Blue, Northern Virginia. President Joe Biden took the mic and faced the stage, touting the economic progress during his past 2 years in office and warning of the South and catastrophe threatened by House Republicans. They campaigned on inflation ahead of 2022 midterm elections that carried disappointing results for Republicans. Biden told members of a stimulus reunion in Springfield they didn't say it or elected they planned to make it worse, he added, eliciting chorus from the audience. It wasn't a campaign event or an announcement that he would run for a second term as president, but it might as well have been. Biden, who has said repeatedly that he plans to run for re-election, but has yet to make a formal declaration. It notably shifted well into campaign mode, taking off his accomplishments while besting Republicans as dangerous to the economy and to working Americans. He was aided by some unexpected good news Thursday morning. The report from the Bureau of Economic Analysis that the economy grew by 2.9% in the fourth quarter of 2022, by up major banks and economists predicting a recession that has helped applause then for the president, who is dealing with a public unhappy about inflation. They've been telling me since I got elected that we are going into a recession. Biden said, revealing some frustration with a poor economy narrative despite overall growth and good employment numbers. It turns out, thank God, they were wrong. The president noted some other encouraging numbers, including the lowest jobless rate in 50 years, a record number of new jobs created during a president's first 2 years in office, and the best 2 years for small business creation on the record. Biden also announced he was courting on interest in America. Cabinet composed of the Secretaries of Commerce, Labor, Transportation, Treasury, Energy and Health and Human Services, as well as the EPA Administrator and Senior Advisor Ms. Ledger and John Podesta. The group will be charged with ensuring that the bipartisan inflation rate and the Inflation Reduction Act both implemented effectively, the White House said.